The main thing that sets data center construction apart is the speed to market. Developers want their buildings up and running a lot quicker. So the quicker we can turn those around, get ahead on schedule, the better.
A distribution center may be the same amount of concrete over the course of 8 or 10 months, and on a data center, it may be twice as much concrete in half the amount of time.
We've probably got 50 trades on site. We're talking to every one of those guys, making sure they've got input on the schedule, because this thing's gonna be fast. Knowing that there might be some design changes coming later in the project, issues with firing up equipment, so it's super important that we get ahead. A lot of heavy things hanging from this structure, a lot of heavy things sitting on it. The performance of the concrete is super important. When we're talking with Thomas Concrete, we want to get some high-early mixes out here so we can get our trades on the slabs quicker. Key priority is being in tune with Thomas on that side of things.
To meet the timelines of the data center, we started with understanding the project schedule. We look at other projects that would be ongoing during the project. We look at how many yards of concrete that was going to be used and the frequency of the pours. This particular project had multiple pours each day.
Out here in the construction, you never work with anybody without tight timelines and everything changing. The pour might be 200 yards and it might grow to 300 yards. And we're usually adding more concrete. So really it came down to being flexible and being able to accommodate that. We've had the same plant manager for the last 3 jobs. We know how to work together. I know exactly what he's gonna do and he knows exactly what I'm gonna do. All I gotta do is make one phone call and the result. Whenever they tell me they're gonna do something, Thomas has.
We supported the demands of this project by being flexible and having a product that performs. All 3 DataBank buildings have been a huge success for Brasfield Gorrie, Thomas Concrete, and for DataBank.
When you're building critical infrastructure, it's important you've got trusted partners. I think the willingness to hit some of our crazy schedule durations sets Thomas Concrete apart. We've got some 20,000 square foot boards that Thomas had no problem in helping us support that. It's very important to be able to perform, and Thomas Concrete delivered.